Join me as I challenge myself to make today the best day possible and set a good example for everyone around me. Let's dive into the idea of good example day. What does it mean? The purpose is to inspire positive actions not just for ourselves but for those around us too. It's all about creating a ripple effect of kindness, motivation, and positivity. When we set a good example, we encourage others to do the same, and that can lead to something truly amazing in our communities. It's not always easy to make everyday life protective and meaningful. Distractions are everywhere, whether it's the endless scroll on social media or finding ourselves stuck in our heads with negative thoughts. Those days where you woke up and feel like everything is working against you. Yeah, we all have been there. It's like we get caught in the cycle of procrastination and self doubt, and it can be so tough to break free. Sometimes the weight of our responsibilities can feel overwhelming. You might toss and turn at night, worrying about everything that needs to be done and feeling like you won't possibly have the energy to tackle it all. That nagging feeling can zap your motivation before you can even start your day. Remember that when you had every intention of being productive, but binging Netflix was just too tempting. Totally relatable. It's easy to let those negative mindsets take charge of our lives. Toxic thoughts are sneaky, little devils that creep in and twist our perspective. We often forgot to take a step back and realize that we have the power to change our mindset and take control of our day. It's not always easy, but acknowledging these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them and making today a good example day. Transforming your day into a good example day is totally possible with some practical strategies. One way is to set small achievable goals instead of tackling your entire to-do list. Focus on one or two simple tasks that you can complete and feel proud about. Little victories can boost your confidence and inspire you to do more. Taking a moment to practice gratitude can also shift your mindset. Think about what you are thankful for. It can be as simple as enjoying that morning coffee or a sweet text from a friend. Gratitude shifts your focus away from what's going wrong to what's continuously going right in your life. It creates a positive start point of the day. Helping others is another powerful way to make whether it's holding the door for someone or lending a listening ear to a friend in need, every small act of kindness counts. When you help others, it's not only brightens their day but also fills you with a sense of purpose and joy, making it even easier to be a good example. I remember when I decided to make an effort to set a good example, I volunteered at a local food bank and saw the incredible impact it had. It wasn't just about feeding people, it was about connecting with them, sharing smiles, and lifting their spirits. I noticed how my actions inspired others to engage in similar activities. Suddenly, we were all caught up in this beautiful cycle of generosity and support. That experience changed my perspective on daily actions. It became crystal clear that setting a good example isn't just for one day or one event. It's a lifestyle choice, a series of choices that can inspire countless others in ways we may never even know. Every small action creates a ripple effect, and it all starts with you. Taking small actions each day really can create a positive ripple effect. These ripples can extend far beyond what you might realize. You can make today a good example day, not just for yourself but also for your friends, family, and even strangers you encounter. It's all about being the light in somebody's day, and that's something we can strive for. I want to hear from you. What steps are you taking to make today a good example day? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. And if you are interested in diving deeper into personal growth, check out my other video where we explore practical steps to unlock your potential. Remember, every day is a chance to make a difference. Let's seize it.
Thank you. Subscribe for more. If you find it useful, please share the video.